Open browser. Search Steam tool. Open first link. Click the button in top. Install the downloaded file. Then open Steam tool. Right-click and launch. Look, I don't have the game. Extract the file. Click Yes to all. Select these files and drag and drop .to the logo. Then click Exit Steam. Then again click Launch Steam. Go to Library and Home. Now look, I have the .game that I didn't have earlier. I can just install and enjoy.